these books, the illumination they cast on the whole world.
No questions are out of bounds.
They are engaging at the most fundamental questions, the nature of reality, of human beings.
People on opposite ends of the globe were learning from one another.
We can look at the way people believed 3,000 years ago.
What can we know and how can we know it?
People are willing to die for these beliefs.
The great books of mathematics has as big an impact on our history and our culture as literature or music.
You get an explosion that occurs across science and mathematics.
Those things recorded become the fundamentals of our scientific method.
You have people trying to create things that are beautiful, that are meaningful, that they hope will carry on to future generations.
The city's foundation.
At this time, the sex is wonderful.
An era of great characters.
The scholarly process of building on one another's work.
Fundamental questions about life itself.
We're here at the Roman Forum, the heart of the Roman Empire.
At this table, she wrote those extraordinary books.
We have freedom to define who we are.
Education should create an experience that prepares you for the experiences of the rest of your life.